iPhone SE review. The iPhone SE is still going. Holding out against its big screen siblings, this 4-inch handset continues to offer a compact, one-handed use guarantee no other current iPhone can muster. Update: we're still waiting for the long-rumored launch of the iPhone SE 2, but the longer we wait the more unlikely it seems that it'll ever arrive. For now, your only option for a compact iPhone is the original SE. See all Apple iPhone SE deals. It is getting long in the tooth though, having launched over 2 years ago, which means when compared to the likes of the iPhone 8, 8 Plus and iPhone X it's significantly underpowered and feature sparse. Yet, it's still a more than viable option for those looking for a low-cost iPhone, or a compact Apple handset. It's been updated to iOS 11, the latest software from Apple, and unlike the X, it has a Touch ID fingerprint scanner. iPhone SE review. iPhone SE price and availability. iPhone SE release date, March 2016. 32GB iPhone SE price, $349, £349, $549 Australian. 128GB iPhone SE price, $449, £449, $699 Australian. At launch the iPhone SE price was $399, £379, $679 Australian for the 16GB model and $449, £429, $749 Australian if you choose the larger 64GB option, although things have changed since March 2016. The iPhone SE is no longer available in 16GB and 64GB variants, with Apple instead offering the handset in more appealing 32GB and 128GB capacities. While the storage sizes have increased, the price has dropped slightly for the 32GB iPhone SE with a price of $349, £349, $549 Australian, while the 128GB model will set you back $449, £449, $699 Australian. It's still widely available both on Apple's own site, and via major retailers and carriers around the world, so you shouldn't have too much trouble picking one up.